Good morning, children. So let's start. Good afternoon, actually. Sorry, good afternoon, children. So let's start a new lesson, angles and the pairs of angles. So let's see, beta, angles. So how will you define angle, beta? When two rays or two segments having one common vertex or one common origin. So there is the formation of angle. So see, it is angle ABC. So what is the name of this angle? You can write angle AABC. Or you can write angle CBA. So remember one thing, beta, the angle is formed on vertex B. So this B should be in the middle. Okay, where B is the vertex of the angle. And A and BC. And BC. I got better. They are the arms of the angle. Now let's see interior and exterior of the angles. The points which enclose within these two arms are known as interior points, or the area that enclose within this angle is interior of the angle. And the points which lies outside the angle are exterior points, or the area outside of the angle is exterior of the angle. So let's see. See, so G W E. Okay, so point PSG that lies interior of the angle are known as interior points. Point P, point G, and point S. So point is shown by a little dot. Interior points. And see, these points, point P, point W, and point E, are the exterior points of the angle. Point P, point W. So this dot is what? It is called point. And point E are exterior points. And this point A, B, C. These are vertex of it. They are the points, they lies on the angle. So it is clear that interior and the exterior of the angle. Now let us see the another term, adjacent angle. So what is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent room, adjacent classes, adjacent chairs or benches. means they are having something common between them. So they are known as adjacent. Here the angles, adjacent angles. So the angles having one common arm and one vertex are called adjacent angles. Adjacent. See. So it is P, Q, R. It is an angle. So if I draw another plate, it is point S. So see, if you take angle, so this divides the angle into two parts. This ray divides the angle into two parts. Angle PQS. It is the one angle. Angle SQR. It is the another angle. See better. In both the angles, this vertex Q is common and this arm QS is common. So the adjacent angles are those angles having one arm common between them. So adjacent angles have one common arm and the arm lie on opposite side of the common arm. See, this is the common arm and these two angles are lies opposite to this arm. They have a common vertex. And see, this vertex is common for both these two angles. And also their interiors are separate. Adjacent angles have separate interiors. So it is not better. Adjacent angles. Okay, now let's see. Let us learn one question on it. Okay, so adjacent angles have one common arm and the other arms lies opposite to the common arm. They have a common vertex and also they have separate interiors. Got it better? So let's see one example on this. Name the pair of adjacent angles. So it is the common vertex C. This vertex N is common for all these three angles. Here is point B. Here is point A. And here is point C. So pair of adjacent. So first, if you take angle B and C, angle B and C, comma. So we will write adjacent pair. Here means there should be two angles, B and C, angle B and C. If you take this B and C, and this if this B and is common, another adjacent angle is B and A. Another. Now you are taking this angle B and A. A. So A and C. Okay. And if you are taking A and C, and this is common, so C and B. Okay. So children, in this way you can find the adjacent angles. Got it, beta? Now let's see the another term, complementary angles. So let's see complementary angles. See, complementary angles means if the sum of two angles is 90, they are said to be complementary. Angles should be angles may be adjacent or may not be adjacent, but their sum must be 90. If the sum of the measures of two angles is 90. So they are known as complementary. Now see better. It is right angle. So measure is 90 degree. P, Q, R. Okay. So the measure of this angle PQR is 90 degree. If So the sum is 40 degree. So this angle PQS is 40 degree and angle SQR is 50 degree. So the sum is what beta? 40 plus 50, 90 degree. So angle PQS plus angle SQR and sum is 90 degree. Okay. So they are said to be complementary. Why? Because the sum is 90 degree. Okay. Or the question we like this. A, B, C. So it is 30 degree. And the another angle X, Y, Z. And it is 60 degree. Same. Angle ABC and angle XYZ. 60 plus 30, 90 degree. So these angles are complementary angles. See, here the angles are adjacent and the sum is 90. Here they are separate angles, but their sum is 90. Therefore, they are said to be complementary angles. Got it better? So let's see one question on it. And the question is, find the measure of the complement of an angle of measure degree. See beta, the sum of two angle is 70 degree. Out of this, one angle is 70. So you have to find its complement angle. So how to find? See beta, complement. Let measure of complement angle is x. Okay. So we will, it is unknown. Therefore, we will take x. Okay. So according to the complement, 70 degree, 70 plus x equals to 90. Okay. Now similarly, it becomes a linear equation. So to find the value of this x, you have to subtract this 70 from 90. So we will transfer this 70 to that side. X equals to 90 minus 70. And the answer is 20. So what is the complement of 70 degree? It is 20 degree. So got it, children? So bye bye beta.